Hey guys, and welcome back to another video with Angel B Designs. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. What I'm going to show you guys how to do today is I'm going to show you how to sublimate on the Dollar Tree door hangers. So I found these at Dollar Tree. My Dollar Trees, the ones I go to, they never really have the stuff that other Dollar Trees be having. But anyways, I went in there today. I was specifically looking for some awesome, but I just walked by the craft section and I saw these door hangers, and my kids been asking me for some. So I went ahead and I grabbed a couple. This one I made for my TikTok, one of my favorite images with the sunflowers. I just wanted to see how it looks before I did it on the video, so I did it for my TikTok. But this is what I ended up doing. I did Sonic for my 4-year-old and Fortnite for my 9-year-old. Now, I will say I do prefer the glossy finish on the wood. So I did do a video. It's a little old, so if you haven't seen it yet, you're gonna have to scroll through my channel. But I did do a video where I sublimated on wood letters and I used laminate sheets to do it, which gave it a really vibrant glossy finish. I do prefer that over this. Now, I did not use anything on this wood, okay? I did not use polyacrylic, however you say it. I did not use that. I did not use spray bright. I did not use laminate. I did not use anything. I took it out the bag, I popped the tag off, and I sublimated it. That was it. That's all. I didn't do nothing else to it. Now, if you wanted to go ahead and maybe add a coating of polyacrylic on here to maybe seal it. I mean, I'm not putting this in the washing machine, and I don't plan on washing it. It's gonna hang on a door, so I guess maybe over a certain amount of time it might fade, but I mean, it's $1, so if it does fade over some time, I'll just make another one. It was $1, okay, so it wasn't that big of a deal. But yeah, like I said, I think because just for me, I like the look of the glossy finish. I think I'm going to go to Dollar Tree and buy two more. And I think I'm going to do it again with the laminating sheets. Just because, like I said, I like that look more than this matte finish. I'm not really a matte finish kind of girl when it comes to the wood. But some people like it. Whatever your preference is, but that's what we're doing today. I'm going to show you guys how to do these, so go ahead and stick around. Hey guys, so I just quickly wanted to jump on here and show you how I designed the bookmarks, because I know somebody's going to ask. But I am using Canva Pro to design the bookmarks. It was just a quick little design I threw together for my kids. My 9-year-old likes Fortnite, my 4-year-old likes Sonic. I made this picture. I made both of these actually in Photoshop. So basically what I did was I took the Sonic logo with the characters, I removed all the backgrounds, and I kind of just placed them together. You can do this in Canva Pro, but you know, I added a little bit more drop shadow features and stuff like that in Photoshop. So I made this in Photoshop, and then I also made this one in Photoshop as well, and I added his name. And then I just uploaded them to Canva, and I'm using them for the door handles, which just have a solid color background with their name and their favorite characters. The dimension I'm using for this is 2.9 inches by 11.2 inches. And I went ahead and I measured the door sign. That's how I got it. And then I'm going to download these as a PNG to my computer, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get Silhouette Studio open so I can print them. Okay, so this is saved. I'm just going to quickly save these to my desktop so I can find them. And then we're going to go in Silhouette Studio. This is how I print, file, merge, and I'm going to find it. And it should already upload pretty much the size that I need it to be. Yeah. So I'm going to file, merge, bring in the second one. And then I am going to flip horizontally both of them, and then I'm going to print. So I'm going to go ahead and get these printed out, and I will meet you over at my heat press. Okay guys, so I'm back here. And then I do have my images printed out. I have to cut them. But these are the little door hangers that I got from Dollar Tree. I did do one for, I made one for TikTok. So it came out pretty decent. It does have like a matte finish to it. So what I'm doing is I'm not using any type of laminate. Okay, so I have done something on my channel where I sublimated on wood letters, but I used the laminate and it gave it a more vibrant, glossy finish. So now this is going to be me doing it without anything on it at all. I'm not using any polyacrylic. I'm not using laminate. I'm not using anything. We're just printing off an image and subbing it right onto the wood. Okay, I'm just trimming the white off of my images here. 1 second. So if you're looking for like a more glossier finish, then you know obviously you might want to use the laminate strip or the sheet. Okay, so what I'm going to do, this is a piece of blister paper that I have on my heat press mat here so that we protect it. And then I'm going to place it so the knots on the back of the wood here, I'm going to place those down because when you hang it, you want to hang it like this. So this is the front. So the knots are going to be face down. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and do both of them at the same time. And basically all we're doing is just taping it on there. Now, like I said, I made one for TikTok and my Pinterest account already. So I already know that it's going to come out and how it's going to look. It's going to, the first time I did it for 60 seconds because I wanted to see how it would look. But I wanted more ink transfer. So I put it back under for another 30 seconds. So the total time is going to be 90 seconds. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and cover it with my Teflon sheet. We're going to press 400 degrees for 90 seconds, and I will come back when it's finished. Okay, so my timer just went off. I just popped open my my heat press. I'm going to go ahead and pull it out, remove the Teflon sheet, and then like I said in my previous videos, when you're taking this tape off, if you can cut it, I would, just because sometimes when you're trying to take the tape off, if you slide this image instead of pull it straight up, you're going to create ghosting. Okay, so I prefer the glossier finish, okay? I don't particularly care for this matte finish, but it's not bad. Let me go ahead and back up so y'all can see it. There's the finished product. I can never get my lighting right. Either it's too dark or it's too light. There we go. Okay. So you can see that it took, now if you wanted to go ahead and, you know, add a polyacrylic or something on top of it to seal it, you absolutely can. I don't plan on like putting these in the washer or anything, so you know, I don't see the ink washing out. It may over time like fade or something like that. So like I said, if you did want to go ahead and seal the ink with a polyacrylic or something on top of it, maybe if you give it a coat of epoxy or crystal lac, I'm not sure how that works on wood, so don't take my word for that. You know, whatever you want to do, okay? Research it, YouTube it if you must. What I'm probably gonna do, I'm probably gonna make these again with the lamination sheet, because like I said, I prefer the glossy look versus the matte look. So I did want them to have hangers for their door. So like I said, these were only $1 at Dollar Tree, so I'm probably gonna go ahead and just make 2 more of these with the lamination sheet on the front, so it can have the glossy finish. Okay, but you can sub on these, and like I said, just go ahead and coat it or seal it if you feel like it might fade. But that is all I have for this video, guys. It was a quick little Dollar Tree video for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Bye.